Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me Nokia X30, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of your file system. By default, only default applications, in our case the phone app, has access to the hidden directory, but the laws of some countries prohibits recording calls in these countries. Therefore, in some regions, including my region, recording calls with the standard application is not available. And the change of region will not help to bypass this restriction. In order to record call using the standard application, you need to open the phone app, click on the three dots button and click Settings. Here, if you have call recording feature enabled in your country, so you will see call recording feature here. Okay. So as you can't see this function as me, so you can use third-party applications to record calls. I recommend you use the Cube ACR application. In order to install this app, open Play Store and find here Cube ACR. Click Install. And click Open. Now you need to set up this app. Click Next, grant permission while using allow. Click Enable App Connector. So here you need to find Cube ACR and Enable Connector. Click Allow. Click OK, go it, Allow. And you don't have to provide location access, so you can disable location access for this app. And now, as you can see, we can pay for it to have cloud backup, upload with PIN, instant pull calls, action, no ads, and more. So we don't need these features to use call recording. So you can pay for it but I will use it for free. And as you can see, now make your first call to test Cube Call Recorder. So now, if you will call for someone, your calls will successfully record automatically. So now you just need to click on your square button, and if you have a lock feature on your device after update, so I have an updated version of my Android. If you have lock feature in your apps RAM manager, so just click on Cube button and click lock. I have not this feature. So now all your calls will be recorded, but you need to understand that it will only record the sound from your microphone if you don't have root access. So when you will call for someone, Cube ACR will record only your voice from microphone. Okay, so if you want to Cube ICR record calls from you and from your conversation partner, you need to enable external speaker when you call in, or you need to install root access on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope I help you. And that's it. Bye. See you.